Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Shopify admin access after password reset issues step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Shopify login page. Enter your email address tied to your Shopify account. Click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Check your inbox for a password reset email from Shopify. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. You'll be directed to a page to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Enter the new password and confirm it in the designated fields. Click on the Reset Password button to finalize the change. After successfully resetting your password, return to the Shopify login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click on the Login button. If you can log in successfully, your issue is resolved. If you still cannot access your Shopify admin, try clearing your browser's cache. To clear cache, go to your browser settings. Find the option for Privacy or History. Select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select cached images and files. Once cleared, return to the Shopify login page. Try logging in again with your email and new password. If issues persist, try using a different browser or device. If you still cannot access your account, contact Shopify support. Visit the Shopify support page for further assistance. Provide them with your account details for quicker resolution. Follow any additional instructions they may provide. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.